Hey y'all, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the GB. Enjoy the show. Yep, it's pretty windy. Oh yeah. It's pretty windy. Oh, I hear thunder. This plane is flying all over the place. I'm planning not to fly on a windy day. A wagon. I've had mine. So guys, what happened was is that I was flying in the circuit, and as you saw, the canopy came off. Good thing I kept looking at it while it was landing, and if you saw in the video, it just came down right there in the pit. It was nice to be seen and everything like that. So I noticed here it has a little weight on it. I think I need to put another weight in the back and maybe give it more power to get back down. If you guys have any suggestions, leave me a comment below. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. We'll talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.